No one believed him until he built this. In a world where technology pushes the boundaries of imagination, one visionary changed everything. From sneakers that fit you perfectly in just 3 minutes, to robots that can walk, talk, and even perform tricks. The future is here, and it's changing the way we live. Buckle up for a journey into the unimaginable. From groundbreaking robots to eco-friendly inventions, we're diving into the most incredible breakthroughs that no one saw coming. Let's get started. Crafting the perfect fit. Until the 1960s, all shoes were handmade, and even with some automation, creating a pair took many hours. However, new technology now allows sneakers to be made in just 3 minutes, either on a mannequin with a robotic arm or directly on a person, ensuring a perfect fit. The idea for this process came from a founder who saw a gun used for creating artificial cobwebs, leading to the development of a special polymer for shoe fabric that is both elastic and durable. After many tests, the right fabric was created, which can handle the stresses of running while allowing breathability. Robotic arms now create sports shoes by rotating a mold under a spraying jet, while only the sole is made using traditional methods. The sneakers are lightweight, and this technology was showcased by Hellen Obiri at the Boston Marathon. Advancements in robotics, in railway technology. The Swiss startup Sunways developed photocatalytic panels designed to absorb and store solar energy, fitting perfectly between standard railway tracks. These panels can be modified in size and have significant potential, especially in Switzerland, where they could generate substantial energy and reduce carbon emissions if applied to the entire railway system. The panels are easy to detach for maintenance, and a special machine can reinstall them quickly. They have been tested with high-speed trains, showing their durability. In robotics, the company Unitree has improved its model, making it more agile. The humanoid robot can perform tricks and movements with speed and grace, resembling advanced models like Atlas. Tesla is also making progress with its Optimus robot, which can now navigate autonomously and map its environment using cameras and LiDAR. Another development is the AISE-1 robot, which walks like a human and is used for research and testing. The Jetson 1 flying device has also improved, allowing for advanced maneuvers in the air. And a new drone called Dreaming of Dragons can change shape while flying for better navigation. Bioengineers are working to 3D print organs like hearts to address donor shortages. This involves layering live cells to create strong heart tissues quickly. Spiralis Energy has created a generator from recycled plastic that converts wave movement into electricity. This device can be easily produced and assembled anywhere in the world, emphasizing its eco-friendly design. Turf preparation machines trim grass for landscaping, while tower farms use nutrient-rich towers to grow plants, maximizing space and water efficiency. These systems can grow a large quantity of produce in small indoor areas, reducing transportation needs for fresh food. In California, Top Leaf Farms utilizes a rooftop farm model to provide ultra-fresh vegetables to nearby restaurants, showcasing innovative urban agriculture methods. AI companions and more. The company grows flowers for local shops, reducing the need for long-distance transport. Friends, does anyone know what this device shown in the video is? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's travel to Canada, where in Toronto there's a unique room with a mattress on one wall. This is to prevent injury if someone crashes into it. The room is decorated with Arctic themes and is a lab for testing boot soles. Each year, 21,000 people in Canada are injured from slipping on ice. The room has ice generators to create a slippery surface that can be adjusted with wind or snow to mimic real conditions. The hydraulic structure allows the surface angle to change, making it safe for testers who are also secured with harnesses. Sensors and cameras monitor how footwear performs, and the room also tests railings and acts as a driving simulator for various weather conditions. Now, back to robots. Some machines are impressive in agility, while others can have natural conversations. The British robotics company Engineered Arts has created a robot companion called Ozzy that uses AI to communicate. These robots can perform scripted chats and show emotions like surprise and joy, thanks to 27 actuators. Scientists are developing human-like fiber muscles that are very thin and flexible, allowing for more compact and functional robots. one creation. From the Chinese company LimX is the most stable bipedal structure powered by AI, capable of jumping and walking on various surfaces. The design allows for enhanced humanoid locomotion for future research. Cutting-edge concepts. The French company L'Atel Solaire has created an eco-friendly solar oven shaped like a suitcase for easy transport, allowing users to cook and heat food. The Scottish company Smart Green Shipping introduced a sail wing for commercial ships that can reduce fuel consumption by 30% by harnessing wind power. It uses recycled aluminum and has AI software to optimize routes and monitor wind conditions. Beijing has unveiled a concept car named Quintessenza, combining sporty style with functionality. Its unique features include a dashboard that changes control buttons and seats that fold and swivel for lounging. Another invention is an electric hydrofoil called the One Pegasus, which lifts above the water and can reach high speeds with strong battery performance. The Hero Flyer from Arizona is a piloted electric platform designed for entertainment, showcasing a pilot flying gracefully. Inventors in Canada have developed the AeroLift system for homes without basements, allowing houses to be raised and new basements constructed beneath them. The RoboMax JD is an automated sod harvester that adjusts to various conditions. The Brazilian company Ju has introduced an autonomous citrus sprayer that uses a laser scanner for precision spraying and obstacle avoidance. Lastly, Tyler has created an induction charger for electric bicycles, which can be placed on the ground to charge bikes without digging, allowing users to be less reliant on conventional chargers when away from home. Incredible, right? The future isn't just coming, it's already here. We've witnessed inventions that have the power to reshape entire industries. But it all started with one person, one idea, and a bold leap into the unknown. What do you think of these mind-blowing innovations? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride. And make sure to subscribe for more jaw-dropping breakthroughs every week.